I love to go wandering along the mountain track, and as I go, I love to sing my knapsack on my back. I love to wander by the stream, the dances in the sun, so joyously, why it calls to me, come join my happy song. Valderie, Valdera, Valderie, Valdera, Valderie, Valdera. Hey, join my happy song. I'm coming, Joe. Hi there, Joe. I wave my hat to all I meet, and they wave back to me. Hi, Bill! The blackbirds call so loud and sweet from every green tree. High o'er my head the skylarks wing, they never rest at home. And just like me, they love to sing as o'er the world we roam. Valderie, Valdera, Valderie, Valdera, Valderie, Valdera, as o'er the world we roam. I'm a happy boy. Come on.
There we are, shaft number 2, Cowburn Tunnel. Myself and Rob have walked over from there, or over there, which is the actual line of the Cowburn Tunnel. So what's in here? Can you see anything? Oh, yeah. Train just gone under. Nice flat spots on this side.
It's nice and sheltered actually.
It is there, yeah.
Right out the wind, isn't it?
That is there, yeah.
Yeah.
Bit stony though, isn't it? You could bivvy in there, won't there? Yeah. 2 people, one in there, one in there. Right, get back to you when I got the tent up. Hello, Rob. Breeze up here. A bit cloudy as well. It's a lot darker than it looks on the camera here. Alright, get you back to it. So, Rob's just cracked a beer open. I've just cracked one of these open. You know the score. The Acuan's Champion, 7.3. Cheers, everyone.
I want a lightweight Moretti.
Mm.
Oh.
7:05. 7:05, and it's almost pitch black. Cheers, everyone. Good health. See you in a bit. Well, here we are, chewing the fat. I've got me. Hang on, wrong way round. 5-pot meal. It's spicy pork noodles with broccoli. Anyway, Al from Bushman and Blue like that. Broccoli loves his broccoli. Yeah, we're in the tents. It's bloody cold. I've managed to destroy an entire can of McEwen's Champion as I threw one to Rob. It hit a rock, exploded. I nearly cried.
Fragmentation beer.
Yeah, fragmentation beer, yeah. Ah, what a waste of alcohol. Gutted. So, anyway, such is life. At least I don't have to carry it down with me if I don't drink it. Because it's that bloody cold now. I think we'll be eating this food and shutting the bloody doors. What do you reckon, Rob?
I reckon we might have to.
Yeah. It's not even that late. What time are we on, Rob? Rob?
Right?
What time are we on, mate?
What time?
Yeah.
4:45.
7:45. It's pitch black out there. Windy and cold. Not dead windy, just breezy. I just hope the Mountain Weather Information Service weather forecast was wrong, because that forecast 50-mile-an-hour gust of wind. Yeah, all the other forecasts I looked at, including the Met, said around about 18-mile-an-hour gusts. So, oh well. One forecast, the mountain forecast, not mountain weather, but the mountain forecast that gives you individual mountains, said there was going to be rain but no wind. Mountain Weather Information Service said there was going to be no. They said there was going to be rain, no wind, and then Mountain Weather Information Service said there's going to be no rain but shitloads of wind. And the Met were like, yeah, there's going to be no rain or wind. So, who do you believe? So anyway, never mind. Enough waffling. Gonna get my tea in a minute. See you in a bit. Bye. Yeah, shut my door up now, I think. That was a really strong gust that came just before. I messed up. Shit myself. You know what? It's standing up the tent, man. Falls over and bashes me in the head. Yes, yeah. Crazy, man. Crazy. Morning, folks. Just having a bit of breakfast, kindly supplied by Rob. Got my brew there, my boot, keeping the boot warm. Well, the Durstons proved themselves again. Extremely windy last night. Bit of flapping, bit of noise. But other than that, they didn't budge. All pegs still in place. No collapses despite. We must have had a couple of gusts last night, around about a 40-mile-an-hour mark. Yeah, I'm impressed. So, I'm gonna get some breakfast. Have a chill out for a bit. It's about 7 o'clock now. And then we get up and about, get packed away and show you where we're going. See you in a bit. Right, so that's where we were camped. The cow was there. Rob was there somewhere. Yeah, bit of a rocky ground, but it was alright. As usual, leave no trace. Just left some mushrooms here that were already here. There's Robster.
Morning.
The tower. Looks like a castle. I think we're going to go and have a quick look at the igloo, which you can just see on the horizon over there. So, get back to you in a bit. Bye. I'm blind you now, Rob. Hello.
Hello.
We're in the shelter. Well, the other phone shut down. Looks dead bright out there. Yeah, and there's a nice little shelter here. Out the wind.
Yeah.
Lovely jubbly.